So how to read a book effectively and how to apply your knowledge into the real life. You can learn about all of this stuff and all the stuff and tips in this video. So hey everyone, my name is Ankush Chauhan, and in this video I'm going to show you the tips that you implement while reading a book that help you to be practical and other stuff. So I just ordered this book named 0 to 1. I ordered this book I think 4 months back, and I just read this book in almost 4 to 5 weeks, and I just completed this whole book. And I also takeaways, some of the amazing takeaways I get from this book. And so you are thinking that how I completed this book in 4 to 5 weeks, right? So I was sharing you the tips, and first of all, let's start off the first tip. So first of all, don't read a book word by word. So I be taking taking example of a non-fiction book over here. So if we are just move on to fiction book by this takeaway, that fiction book, if you are going on fiction book, so if you know all the major difference between fiction and non-fiction book, is fiction book is consist of the stories and that are sometimes real or just dream story or something like that. But in the non-fiction book, that is the fiction book that you can take away, give the life lessons about into the real life. So if you are just skip some of the word from a non-fiction book, that is not a major cause. But if you miss a sentence or a whole 2 or 3 pages from a fiction book, that is sometimes don't understandable if you are just reading a whole book. For example, if you are reading about Alice in a Wonderland, if you just skip on 2 to 3 pages, then you're unable to understand what happened in the next stanza or next topic of the story, right? So that is not applicable on fiction book. Now the second tip is to be mindful and just make a space where there's no distraction and there's no other stuff. So make sure you have a space where you have to read. You can go on to terrace for reading a book, or you can go on, if you don't have space in your home, you can go on terrace to read a book. Now if you have space in your room or in your living room or other stuff, so make sure you have a space where there's only you and you're just reading a book. Okay, so you have your attention on your attention span on your this particular book. Now the third tip is to avoid multitasking, right? So this is same as this. So avoid multitasking, what I mean by that, so if you just take a look at people who are watching TV, eating their food, and just reading a book, right? So this is a type of, so your brain can be focused one particular thing 100% at a particular time, right? So if you are just having 3 tasks running at the same time, and the brain is not giving its 100% on a particular task, right? So that's the main difference. If you are want to be do a particular task, so don't do multitasking while reading, right? That's it. Now the fifth part is to have an active reading skill. So what is active reading skill? You can set a timer, and you can have to test how many pages, how many words you can able to read in a minute or in a 10 minute or a particular span of time. So that will help you to motivate to read a book, right? So now the sixth part is to make notes, or so notes is for a non-fiction book. But if you are in a fiction book, you can write a summary, right? That is also the same. Now the last step is very important, is help you to motivate stuff. So while reading a book, you have a motivation that what you can do by reading this book. For example, I'm reading this book by 0 to 1. So this is for those who want to start their own startup, right? So this is for those who want to build their business, other stuff. So this is really helpful for them. So a guy who is not interested in startup world or business world, so this is not beneficial for them. because if you are in a startup, you are able to take aways and you have to implement those takeaways into in your real life. That's why this is a type of thing that is useful. And there's also not that is also not to be needed that you also need to be have a startup to read this book. You can able to read this book if you don't have a startup or other stuff, that you can gain your life lessons from this, right? That's all from this book. If you have a question regarding this video or any other stuff you want to ask me a particular question, you can DM me or my email or any of my social media platform. I be definitely reply back to you. That's all in this video. Goodbye.